getting the pin out of the crank. Wait a minute. Kept going just a little bit too far, so we just push it back through the other way. Right there. For this rod, we've got the IMS Pro Series rod kit. Really don't like those kind of needle bearings, but it is what it is. It's whatever the customer got. And we're going to assemble it. Fun. All the bearings are in. Spacer's in. Slide that bitch down. Put that on there. Hit the other crank half. And put the phone down. Okay, line these things up. Make sure everything's, all your marks and everything are lined up. Yeah, it took me a little bit fighting with this thing to get it all straight, but all the lines are there. Looks good. Start cranking it down until it gets close. Now we stop when we get the feeler gauges. You need 3/1000 clearance. Okay, now we got two feeler gauges. You want them 180 from each other. On the Z, it's kind of neat because you got a little breather, a little hole that you can stuff the gauge in, and it sits flat, and you use one of the back caps and do it. You press it down until it squishes the feeler gauges, which should be, oh, beautiful. See what happens when I release. Oh, beautiful. Yep. That's a perfect press right there. Good deal. Now we just got to get it straight.